Hello everyone, myself Nilesh Jain and I am preparing a video of SQL join, especially for MySQL. In MySQL, basically join is used to fetching the data from two or more tables. Join is always retrieve the data from two or more than two tables, so that you can uh, access the data from two or more than two tables. Basically, it is a part of RDBMS and join is available in every RDBMS. Now we are discussing normally when two tables join it. Again, one important thing is there. It should be one column is common. That is most important thing. Now next is the main thing. This is a scenario. How many types of joins are available, like inner join, left join, right join, full join, or we can say Cartesian product or uh, cross join. So full of four types of join supports by MySQL. That is inner join, left join, right join, and cross join. The photo images are there. Like inner join, only combined thing is only common thing will display it. In left join, whatever left first table will display it. In right join, the right part will be the displayed. In full join, or we can say cross join, it will display all the details of both the table. That is the most important thing. One another thing is also there, that is also self join. Self join always applicable in a single or one table, and normal join like left, right, full, or we can say inner, always use two or more than two table. So let's first start with cross join or Cartesian product. Now, what is the meaning of Cartesian product or cross join? Basically, Cartesian product means it's a combination or multiplication from both the tables. Whatever list or whatever column will display in first table, again accordingly second column will display it. Basically, the syntax of cross join is select column list from table name first and cross joins table list 2. I have here given example, select star from first, cross join second. And one more thing, it is also called Cartesian product. So if you are not using cross join, again if you are using join, then again Cartesian product is there. So it returns all the values, combination of both. You already studied in maths like Cartesian product, multiplication of two table we can say. So here we gave example in MySQL. We'll see the example. This is first table ID name, and this is second table ID name. Now I am applying select star from first, cross join second. Here will display it first table ID name 1 2, second table 2 Adam, third Chester. Now first ID name, first table, second table, first table. The meaning is first row of first table display all the details of second table. Second row first table display all the meaning of second table. That is the most important thing. Here we see all the records will display it. In both the table, two records are there, so the output will be four records. So 2 into 2. Whatever row in first table, whatever row in second table, multiply it and display it. Now next is, this is cross join example. Both the details I have explained it just right now. Again, the same thing I have applied it. First table, second table, it will display ID name, ID address, ID name, ID address will display it. Third, now inner join. Inner join always apply with the both the table matches the column and the column is common. That is also main important thing. So the inner join clause compared two rows from first, each row from first table, that every row from second table, compare it both the tables and display output. It is also called equi join. Now important thing, you can just see the area, just common thing will display it, and which time we can use it, only matching row of both the tables, only matching row of both the tables will display it. That is the most important thing. Now see it, select column name from table name, inner join table name 2, where table name 1 dot column name equals to table name 2 dot column name. Here example, select star from first, inner join second, where first dot id, second dot id. Again we see the example. Just see it. Inner is the keyword. I have applied it. INNER, inner join. Then first dot id equals to second dot id. It is also called equijoin. Select star from first, inner join second, where first dot id equals to second dot id. Here is the display. Common thing will display it. Just see it. In first table, second table, the common thing will display it. That is the most important thing. So common, it is also called equijoin. It is also called equijoin. The meaning is only just remove the keyword join again. The meaning is same. Both the things. Meaning is same. Just see it. Now, this is the, again I have given example, the same example I have applied it. Equijoin, again the same thing, but the most important thing, again, where you can use it, where clause also, on clause also. Where and on, you can use it in case of equijoin. Both the things you can apply it. And even where on, using also apply it. Just see it. Where on first dot id equals to second dot id. Here again the same thing, using keyword, using id, the same thing. On, using, where you can apply in case of equijoin, that I have explained it. Same thing applied, using. Next, natural join, also the same thing. It is one of the type of natural join, but on again only natural keyword is using. Just apply it. The same thing, both the tables. So this is called natural join. We can apply it with short, so that. Next, natural join example, the same thing. Now outer join. Two outer join is there, left and right outer join. In left outer join, first table match it, combined it with the second row, second table. First left outer join returns a result set table with the match from second table. Remaining rows of the first table, left table, whatever compare with first table with another second table, the right table according column value will display it. If value is not there, then output is null. And always use left keyword. The syntax of left outer join is select column name list from table name 1, left join column name 2, on join condition. To specify join condition, we use on keyword with outer join. Either you can use it out on keyword or using keyword. That is the most important thing. Now left join, left, left join. Here is the example. The same thing you can apply with on keyword. On first dot id equals to second dot id. The same thing applied. Only the difference in between using keyword, the both the column id will not display it. Only single time will display it. In case of on keyword, id will display two times. The meaning is same. Left join. Just see it. Yes, the left part will display it, right part will not display it. That is the most important thing. Whatever left part is there, accordingly compare it, and if in second table it will not display it, the output will not display. Same case left join have, if we apply with where condition null, only output null will be displayed. Now last is outer join, right join. The right also join, again result set match it, match the data from two table. Right table will display overall data, left table will not display overall data. The left table will display accordingly null value. Just see it. Right join. Yeah, this is the most important thing. Even if you combine it, the data, right side will display it overall. Here left join, right join, RIGST, right join, and again using keyword also applied. Using, the same thing will display it. The same thing will display it. So four types of join I have explained it. You have any doubt, you can ask, and if video is good, again you like it and subscribe it, and also forward to other your friends. Thank you.